So here is the offending solenoid. I pulled it out. This is that run. Sometimes you'll see it as an I on other solenoids, but power comes in here. This is attached to the battery. Power comes in here, pulls in the electromagnet or pulls in the solenoid. It jumps these two, but this thing's also supposed to get, the R is also supposed to get positive. So on this one, if I press in the solenoid, you can hear it clicking, I should get a close connection between R and the terminal here, and I'm not. So let me swap it to this one. So again, this would be power coming into the solenoid. This is that run terminal, and the same deal, that when I apply power, it's going to close the solenoid, and son of a gun, I just slipped this off. Hard to do, but I want to do a test, so you don't even need to be plugged in to do this. It's going to simulate the same thing. Current applied generates the electromagnetic field, and you'll see it's, when it's closing, or it did close, I was getting a closed circuit. So on here, your battery comes in to this one, the main terminal here. S is for start. Plus 12 goes here, energizes the coil, which sucks in the little plunger and closes these two circuits. That's what, so power now goes to your starter. As this thing closes, it's got a spring that engages the starter gear, but more importantly, you should be getting plus 12 off this terminal, and this is the terminal that's going up to the R, is going up to your coil to give it an additional, give it a little bit more juice for when you're cranking. Hope this is helpful. See you online.